AI agents just crossed a line nobody thought they'd hit this fast. Until recently, AI coding assistants were glorified autocomplete. Helpful, sure, but they still needed you to hold their hand through every function. That's over. The latest generation of AI agents can now independently plan, write, test, and deploy entire codebases. And the benchmarks prove it. Here's what changed. OpenAI's newest Codex model and Anthropic's Claude 3.7 with extended thinking are now scoring above 70% on SWE-bench, the gold standard benchmark that measures whether an AI can fix real bugs in real open-source projects. To put that in perspective, a year ago, the best score was around 6%. 60% to 70% in 12 months. But here's what actually matters to you. These agents aren't just solving toy problems. They're submitting pull requests to major repositories. Google's own AI submitted over 1,000 fixes to open-source projects last month alone. Anthropic showed an agent that can clone a repo, understand the architecture, write new features, run the test suite, and iterate for hours, all without human intervention. The freelance coding platform Upwork already saw a 35% drop in entry-level programming job postings in the last quarter. That's not a prediction. That's happening right now. Now, will AI replace all developers? No. But the bar just moved. If your job is writing boilerplate, basic CRUD apps, or simple scripts, an AI agent can do that today. The developers who thrive will be the ones who learn to orchestrate these agents, becoming architects instead of typists. The shift happened faster than anyone expected. And it's not slowing down. So here's my question for you. Would you trust an AI agent to ship production code autonomously? Drop your answer in the comments, I want to hear it. And if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell, because the AI landscape shifts every single week and I break it all down in plain English. See you in the next one.